361 Corpus Christi, Texas here. So I just finished the first RF choke with bulkhead connectors on it and everything. So the first one I actually made this way. It's not an inline one like on my coax. I'm gonna have to wait on the second one because unfortunately the cap went on crooked, and when I was trying to pull it off it gave way and I accidentally ripped the wire, so I'm gonna have to get new wire. But we did finish the first one we got today. So we got bulkhead connectors on both sides. They're both female. And then we got 12 wraps around the pipe. Now on a RF choke, you want to make sure that your negative and your positive are not connected together. You need all your negative to be connected together, that way your ground radials can work as ground. You can't have any positive that's actually touching your negative. If you do, you have to pull it apart, start over. So we have the voltmeter. We are on the continuity test here, which is the one with the diode and the ohm signal and the sound symbol. And then once you do that, you're gonna hit this button once, because if you go into it, it doesn't do a sound. You need the actual sound. So you hit it once on mine and you get the sound. So let's go ahead and test positive on this side, negative on this side. It should not beep. So positive, negative is isolated there. Alright, so no positive is touching the negative throughout the RF choke. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna balance our negative on the outside casing. Come on. There you go. And then we're gonna take our positive, and again, you don't have anything right there from positive, negative, which is good. So let's check our negative and negative. So that's good. We got good negative connection on one side of the choke. Did my negative fall off? It did fall off. Let's put that back. Scared myself. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. And then touch the center. And we got no beep. So the positive is not touching the negative throughout the entire RF choke, and vice versa, the negative is not touching the positive throughout the whole choke. I'm sorry if I repeat myself, it is really late right now. But the RF choke is completely done. This is my personal version. This is what the main one that I'm gonna sell. And I'm gonna paint the one that I'm gonna sell too. And I'm gonna put some actual heat shrink on it instead of electrical tape. But this is what the RF choke is gonna basically be like when I sell it.